What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some Pico De Gallo, and you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, what is Pico De Gallo? Well, you know it means the tip of the rooster's beak or something like that. I don't really I don't español too well myself. Un poquito, but you know what it is? It's basically like a salsa, kind of without like the salsa ingredient. It's basically like a thick, chunky vegetable topping that you can put on your stuff. You can use to dip some tortilla chips in it, or we could do what we're doing today and put it on top of our taco. Now, you know me, I'm starving to death from in here, so we got the andale, Speedy Gonzalez. Let's go. So, first thing you got to do, gotta get that tomato. And today I got the Roma tomato, and you're saying, like, oh, why do they call it a Roma tomato? I don't know. What's all the questions this morning, buddy? Why don't you get on Google or ask Jeeves, maybe take it back to the past. So, going to take our Roma tomato, and with this stuff, you're going to want to slice everything up, you know, not really too thick because you want it all to blend together. You don't want a big hunk of chunk of nothing in there, Elvis. So, let's go ahead and get our tomato, cut it down pretty thin size. Next thing you got to do, got to get some onion, boy, that white onion. And you know, people are saying, do you want red onion? Do you want yellow onion? No, got to be the white onion for this application. Sorry to yell at you and startle you, but you need to listen when I'm talking to you. It's got to be the white onion. So cut that up, and you know you're gonna be in there crying like a Homeward Bound or something, talking about Shadow come back. So go ahead and Shadow come back. So let's go ahead and get our onion cut up. Next thing you gotta do, because with stuff like this, and man, I love this stuff. It's one of my second favorite green things in the world. Cilantro, buddy. Go ahead and take that cilantro and same deal, just cut it up finely, make it fine. Just like you, sweetie. You're looking good. So, we've got that done, and now for a little spice in our life, a little. So, let's get a poblano pepper, and there again, you're saying like, oh, how about a jalapeno pepper? Well, you know I do love jalapeno, but with this stuff, you've got to be careful because if you use a fresh jalapeno, it's just going to be so spicy that you're going to be in there in the next morning sounding like David Lee Roth, if you know what I'm talking about. So, man, poblano's the way you want to go. Cut that pepper in half, take those seeds out, buddy boy, the same deal. Then, cut that up finally, put it in our deal. Now, let's put everything in the same bowl and mix it all together. And while we're mixing it, we're going to put a little lime juice in there. Now, I really should have had a fresh lime when I did this, but you know me, buddy. I get time for that shit, so I had to use this lime juice. And this is good because I'll use it later when I get a pack of Modelo's, if you know what I'm talking about. Might be tonight, so put some of that in there, just a pinch of salt, spin it around, and then I think we're ready for a sight and a big old bite of this Pico De Gallo tonight, buddy, don't you? Yeah, I'm going to make my tacos, I'm going to come back and make my taco. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it. So, hear the dog barking, she wants something too. I'm coming. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The Pico De Gallo is done. And I'm having that first bite on top of the taco for me. You're not getting nothing. Remember last time I gave some to the dog? Too spicy. I'll give you something else here in a minute. You don't need this. I probably don't even need this, but I'll tell you the truth. Me friend, so. Oh! I'm about at a moment. You know, man, first of all, I love tacos. Love this style of food. And this mix, man, it really just kind of, I don't want to say authentic because obviously it's not authentic, but it's just that right flavor. That's what it's supposed to be. Fresh vegetables. You're not just getting like a packet of Taco Bell sauce and slapping it on there. Look, everything I like Taco Bell, but this is the real deal, the way to go. So, I want to thank you for stopping by another real deal episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm trying to keep this away from that old dog down there because she's looking at me like, come on now. You ain't getting none of that. Not today, buddy. I'm going to be out of here.